Hello everyone. Here we are on the 29th of March 2020. It is a Sunday afternoon, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're flying around the market on Broadway again today. As far as any work being done, there's no work being done down on the job site down there the way it looks. All the vehicles are parked in the same place they were parked in. I made some changes today in the application. I'm using the different flight path to get out there and just getting things set up to see how it looks. So I thought I'd make a flight around with the new parameters and post it here and see what it looks like. Weather sort of overcast. Temperatures are in the mid to low 50s and a slight breeze blowing. So there it is. The usual applies. Down in the comment section there'll be a link to get you back to the previous video if you want to make any comparisons. So have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.